Hey guys, and welcome to episode 2 of the development log on the currently untitled platform game. So this morning, like most days, I had to go to work and earn some money. Started off with a nice coffee. I managed to get to work half an hour early, which means that I actually got to get some work in on the game, of course. So what I decided to do was work on the basic sprites for the ground, just the basic stuff. I also managed to finish off the editing on the previous devlog and upload that. So my tasks for today, as in the entire day, was to get this basic tile set completed and then start work on the actual game itself, which I intended to do after work, which you'll see later on. My intent before I go to bed tonight was to get a character in the game walking on ground and being able to move in every direction along with animations. I feel like this was achievable, yet reaching a little bit, but I managed to do it. So I'll stop talking now and I'll let you just enjoy the process, and I'll catch you next time, guys. really didn't want to leave without exclaiming my joy really for this part. I think the jump and fall animations especially look fantastic. I made sure the guy could only jump a little bit, which adds a level of realism, if you can call it that, to the game. But yeah, mission accomplished today and I'm very happy. So thanks for sticking around till the end, and I'll catch you next time, guys.